so excited. My car's almost gonna run. So Nick and I just unwrapped my new intake manifold here and my new throttle body for my car. And Nick is betting that that is going to fit in the Z's engine bay with the 1JZ. And I don't think there's a chance of it fitting.
It'll fit.
It's not. The problem that we're having is the intake manifold won't clear the studs, but he thinks that it'll clear if we take the studs out. So what we're going to do is we already took the lower manifold off so that we can access the studs. So if we pull the studs off, put the lower manifold back on, put the intake manifold back on, and then put the studs through, he thinks we should be good to go. Test fit. Did you just do it?
I told you I'd get to fit.
Oh my.
Card?
Alright, so we're leaving AutoZone. They never have all the stuff that we need, so now we're going to Harbor Freight. And that's the one we need.
I'll buy it and take it to work.
That's what you said about everything that's in your hands right now. Oh, I'll buy it and take it to work. What are you looking
buy
for?
So much shit when I come in here.
Anything else?
No. I'm not getting anything. So right now we're just putting the rest of these fittings in. So we have vacuum sources for everything, and then underneath we have to make a block off plate for that because we don't have an idle air control valve. So we're just gonna make a gasket and make a plate and then seal it up. Obviously can't buy gaskets for this manifold. So if you go to your like local auto parts store, AutoZone, like I think O'Reilly's has it. If you go there and ask them for sheets to make gaskets, it comes in a kit like this. So you just get like different materials and then you can make your own gaskets. So that's what we're doing here.
How do you feel after all that?
Exhausted.
How long do you think that took? 10 minutes?
That's a block off plate. So our ports are going to be, this one's going to be to the external wastegate crank case vent to the valve cover. This one's going to go to your brake booster, and this one is going to go to the fuel rail.
Alrighty, well, here's one of our new metal gaskets that we just got in the mail. So we're just putting that on the intake manifold. Our old gaskets that were on this side were kind of deteriorating, so we decided to go with metal ones so that we don't have that issue anymore. So Nick is looking for the last bolt to put this together so that he can put it back in the engine bay.
1 hour later.
How's it going, Nick?
Just awesome.
Any guesses what time it is?
8 o'clock.
No, it's 5:30. Intake manifold is on. Now we just have to put the fuel rail on. The last ground.
I don't know how I'm gonna type it.
Well, it's just about time to call it a night here. Nick got the intake manifold back on with the new gaskets. He got the fuel rail back on and reconnected the wiring harness. Now he just put some Teflon on these fittings right here, just so they don't come off. He's gonna tighten those up, and then it's gonna be time to get you some dinner. Yeah, it's like one of the little finger traps.
Yeah, see.
The little Chinese things. You remember those toys from back in the day? Oh my goodness, those things were so difficult to get out of.
You can't get it back in.